Wait, ew. A few days ago, I came across a post about Dua Lipa putting pickles and jalapeños in a Diet Coke, and I just thought that definitely could not taste good. But then I started looking at other celebrity food combinations. Elvis Presley loved fried peanut butter, banana, and bacon sandwiches. Bella Ramsey pours orange juice into cereal, and Dove Cameron dips brownies into ranch dressing. So today I'm trying 7 celebrity food combinations to find out if they really came up with something amazing or if they're just messing with us. This is the most famous celebrity food combination, and it's Elvis peanut butter, bacon, banana sandwich. So I gotta cook the bacon, put peanut butter on the sandwich, slices of banana, eat it like a sandwich. It was a struggle meal for him, so I get it. So can't judge that, but I can judge the taste. So I don't like peanut butter. I really don't. I do not like peanut butter. Slices of banana on the peanut butter. So far, this doesn't look crazy. Bacon strips go on the bananas. I just need to toast the sandwich on both sides, so I still got some bacon grease in there, but I'm gonna put a little bit of butter too. Maybe that was too much butter, I don't know. Is it? Oops, we're gonna get that out of there. I look like I can't cook. I don't cook. Do we just sit there?
You wanna push it down with that. Yeah. Kinda like how you do with grilled cheese.
Is this long enough? This might be long enough. I'm about to burn it. Oh, that look good. I'm proud of me. Oh my God. All right, this should be done. Look at that. And that's how you know I can't cook. Because why am I happy about toasting bread? Elvis peanut butter, bacon, banana sandwich. I'm gonna try it. It's the peanut butter. It's gross. All that work for me not to like it. I don't like peanut butter, and that's all I taste. I like my toasted bread, but I'm not a big fan of this. I would eat it because it's not disgusting. I just won't make this again. To me, if you like peanut butter, you'll love it. I don't like peanut butter. I'm gonna say no to this one. I'm pass. I've never had popcorn with hot sauce and pickle juice, but let's try it because Selena Gomez says that this is her favorite snack. So I want to give it a try and see if I actually like it. So she puts a few drops of Tabasco onto the popcorn and then dips it into pickle juice. Why is the popcorn reacting to this? It's like bubbling. Okay. I don't like hot sauce either. I don't like nothing. And then we need our pickle juice dipping sauce. Weird combination again, let's try it. Absolutely not. I like pickle juice, so that to me is not the weird thing about this. I don't like soggy popcorn. Like when you dip it in the pickle juice, it just turns into like mush. It just immediately got limp. I think if there was like dill pickle flavored like powder or something you could put on this, it'd be great. I just don't like that it's soggy. So I'm gonna say no to this one. I'll pass, but it's not nasty. It's just a preference for me. I'm gonna pass on this, but I don't know. Y'all try it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I saw Lizzo try the watermelon mustard combination. And I think she liked it. I don't know. She kept eating it, so I think she did. I actually like mustard. I don't like watermelon, so I don't know. Let's find out. Wait. This looks disgusting already. Now I get why she kept trying it, because I don't know. I don't know. It's not nasty, but it's not good. Like it's not, I can't explain it. I don't think it adds enough to like keep doing this. I wouldn't keep trying it, but it's not nasty. The flavors like neutralize each other. I can't even explain this one. So if you want to do it, do it. This is a weird one. So this is Dua Lipa's combination. She likes Diet Coke with jalapeños and pickles. That's interesting to me because I don't see how those two go together, but I don't know. I'm ready to try this one. Okay. Why are these bubbles so aggressive? Oh my God. All right, we got a splash of pickle juice and a splash of jalapeno juice. I don't know if that was a splash or not. Okay, a few pickle slices and a few jalapeno slices. Oh my gosh, they're just floating in the bottom. That's so nasty. Wait, I get it. I like it. Oh wow. It makes it taste like a Dr. Pepper now for some reason. I'm not mad at it. I would have never thought to do that, but I like it. So I would try this one. Orange juice and cereal, I'm not sure about, but Bella Ramsey from The Last of Us likes this combination, but she did it because she was lactose intolerant. She wanted something that wasn't, dairy. So I understand that. I love dairy, so I love a glass of milk, but let's try this out and see. That's about as much milk as I would put. It just doesn't look appetizing, so I don't even want a second bite of this one. I think it's the orange juice I don't like. It's not nasty, but I don't think I like this orange juice. No, I like it. Okay, so I don't like them together. Okay, no, I wouldn't try this one. I don't like it. I can't even explain why I don't like it. I don't think I want to chew on something like tart, like orange juice, and it just like keeps the orange juice in my mouth way too long. So I think that's why I don't like it. So yeah, I wouldn't try this one. I'm not a fan of it. Mayonnaise in a banana sandwich, basically. So Dale Earnhardt Jr. says this is a Southern delicacy. I'm from the South. I ain't never heard this before, so I don't know what this is. I don't really like mayo like that, so I don't like a lot of stuff. I sound crazy. But we're gonna try this. So mayo, banana on a sandwich, and we're gonna try it out. I wasn't ready for it to come out. Oh my gosh, I'm a chef. Okay. I don't really like bananas either. I don't like nothing. I'm a chicken tenders and fries type of guy. So that tells you something. All my banana slices, mayo on both sides. Let's try it. I'm neutral on this. It's not bad, but I wouldn't try this again. Like I would, not that it's nasty, it's just, it's so bland. I don't know why it's a Southern delicacy. Never heard of that. Also doesn't really taste like one to me. So I'm gonna pass on this. I know I probably won't try this again, so I'm just gonna pass on it. Brownies and ranch, that's a weird combination, but Dove Cameron says she likes this. The ranch accidentally got on a brownie and she just kept eating it. So let's try that. I'm not a fan of this one already because I don't like ranch. Ugh. So I'm just gonna dip it in there and then see what happens. Wait, it's the ranch more than anything. I just don't like ranch, I think. I don't see what she sees, but I love that for her because I don't like this. No, I'm passing on this one. I do not like this one. I don't want that again. I tried the celebrity combinations. Now I'm gonna try mine because a lot of people say this is weird. I first tried this at McDonald's, so I like grape jelly on a hamburger. It has to specifically be grape jelly. It can't be any other flavor like strawberry. Grape jelly and a hamburger. I actually eat this on like any burger now, but I just first tried it at McDonald's. Don't know why. I was like, this sandwich needs something. It needed grape jelly. So I don't like open it up and put it on it. Like, I only like put it where I'm about to bite and like just keep doing it. That is so good. That is so good. It's not weird because like, think about like a sausage like biscuit or something that you eat in the morning. You put jelly on that. Kind of same idea. I will say though, I do keep the ketchup, mustard, and pickles on it. So maybe that's the nasty part, but. I mean, this beat them all. This is the best one. I love it. Have y'all ever heard of this? And I need y'all to try it if y'all have not, because it is so good. So out of all the food combinations, my favorite was Dua Lipa's. I think the soda and the jalapeno pickle juice combination actually worked, surprisingly. So other than my own, I give it to Dua Lipa. So let me know if you all try any of these food combinations, or if you tried mine, let me know what you think of them. And if there's any other food combinations y'all want to see me try next, leave it in the comments below because I might do a part 2 of this. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and until then, I'll see y'all in the next video.